Students, how are you? I think you are well. It is sorry to say that the coronavirus or Delta variant or Omicron are creating ravages in the world. So the class education institution is closed. Therefore, I am here before you with online class. Students, today's class is on sentence connector. Question 7, exam 2022. Students, while speaking or writing, we use different linkers to link ideas from one sentence to next sentence and to give paragraphs coherence or link to clauses. These linkers are called sentence connectors that performs different functions and are placed in different places of a sentence. They are also used to introduce order, contrast, comparison, sequence ideas, theory, data, etc. They are also used to maintain a flow of thought and coherence of the passage given. Now go to the whiteboard. Let's go to the whiteboard. Tamaltala Agricultural and Technical Degree College, Bagatipara, Natore. HSC second paper, grammar. Sentence connector, question 7, exam 2022 rules. There are many rules regarding sentence connectors. For the convenience of the students, I tried to give them a different shape. I divide them into 5 phases, 5 sectors for your understanding. Look at the board. 1. Logical or sequential order. If there are sentences, there are many causes of it, there are many reasons of it, we use firstly, secondly, thirdly, etc. Or next, last, finally, in addition, furthermore, also, at present, presently. If it comes the time of importance, we use order of importance. The most important is most or more importantly, most significantly, above all, primarily, it is essential or essential. Comparison. When we compare or we find similar between two things, we use similarly, likewise, also. Next, contrast or opposition. We often see there are differences between two sentences or two things. Then we use however, on the other hand, on the contrary, by comparison or in comparison or in contrast. Next, result. Consequence. It is found generally last sentence of the passage. As a result, as a consequence, therefore, consequently, hence. There are more sentence connectors, but these are potential for you. Today, students, I suggest you to remember this, and tomorrow or next day, I will discuss the practice class. Thank you. Thank for watching the class.